This is an AI-generated instructional short of Top GitHub Copilot, features you missed in Visual Studio 2022. Today, I'll walk you through some of the latest and most exciting functionalities integrated directly into Visual Studio that can accelerate your coding workflow and unlock new productivity gains. Let's explore the evolution of Copilot within Visual Studio. Initially, we had Smart Text Autocomplete, those subtle gray text suggestions that made coding smoother through heuristic detection. Then, an interactive chat interface appeared inside the IDE, allowing developers to ask questions, though with some initial hesitation. Now, Agent Mode elevates this by offering dynamic AI commands like Ask, Edit, and Agent, making it an active teammate that can perform multi-step tasks directly within Visual Studio. Our team designs AI integration along two main paths. The prompt-first experience invites developers to communicate with the tool in natural language, leveraging powerful new AI models, autonomous agents, and even vision capabilities. Meanwhile, the editor-centric experience enhances traditional coding flows, helping developers manage complex code bases with features like next word completions, adaptive paste, and AI-generated documentation without disrupting their rhythm. We'll dive deeper into the editor-centric tools later. Agent Mode is now live in Visual Studio and transforms your IDE from a passive assistant to an active collaborator. By enabling Agent Mode, your IDE gains the ability to understand your goals, edit code, run commands, and iterate through multi-step tasks autonomously. Using GPT 4.1 and a technique called tool calling, Copilot can analyze your entire codebase, retrieve relevant context, and make edits with high accuracy. It even self-corrects by iterating until the build succeeds, acting like a reliable teammate handling complex workflows under your control. For example, in a live demo starting from a blank homepage, Copilot generated a fully connected product page front-end hooked to a minimal API backend, all from a single prompt. You can also drop design images or mock-ups into the chat, and Copilot generates matching UI code. It respects your project's style by reading special instruction files in your repo, and always seeks your permission before making tool calls or edits. This blend of autonomy and control makes your coding environment far more productive and collaborative. Additionally, prompt files will soon let you store reusable prompts inside your project, eliminating tedious copy-pasting and streamlining your workflow even further. Agent Mode also integrates deeply with your development stack through MCP servers and supports autonomous interactions with services like GitHub and CI pipelines, all without leaving Visual Studio. This makes building, debugging, and deploying smoother and more efficient, defining the future of AI-powered software development. Switching focus now to the editor-centric experience. This path keeps you coding directly inside the editor without breaking your flow. Many developers prefer the familiar environment, so let's see how Copilot helps you stay productive within that context. We'll start by exploring common usage of AI completions and then shift into newer, enhanced features designed to assist throughout your editing process. Most developers know Copilot for code completions, the original AI magic that auto-completes lines at your cursor. These completions speed up coding by providing line endings or even full templates on blank files. However, because these suggestions only appear at the cursor, they can miss opportunities to assist as you jump around and modify code in various places. That's why we introduced Next Edit Suggestions, or NES, which goes beyond cursor-focused completions. NES observes your recent edits and uses that history to predict your next likely changes anywhere in the file. It suggests insertions, deletions, or mixed edits where you might need them, helping you refine or reshape code beyond simple auto-completion. This capability significantly streamlines real-world editing and refactoring workflows. In this demo, we see a C++ file where a refactor replaces printf with STL standard output. As changes are made, a navigation handbar highlights diffs and guides acceptance of edits. The AI not only updates the current line, but also related functions throughout the file, like switching from fgets to C and getLine for input handling, keeping style consistent. This is more than autocomplete. It's a contextual teammate intelligently managing logical changes across your codebase. It effectively reduces tedious manual work when refactoring. To recap the prompt-first experience, Agent Mode represents the next generation of Copilot chat that can autonomously edit your codebase, execute terminal commands with your approval, and iterate builds until tasks finish. Enabling Agent Mode in the latest Visual Studio preview lets you tap into this powerful assistant. You can also connect MCP servers to extend its reach across your development stack, including cloud services and CI pipelines. Vision capabilities allow you to attach images like UI mockups or screenshots directly inside Copilot chat. This enables Copilot to generate precise and context-aware code from visual inputs, which enhances collaboration with designers and accelerates UI development. Ask Mode remains available for focused queries or small code snippets, providing flexibility alongside these advanced features. Now focusing again on editor-centric tools. Next Edit Suggestions predicts your upcoming changes by analyzing your edit history, appearing where you need it. Available now in Visual Studio 1714, Preview 3, or later, this feature is easily enabled in the GitHub Copilot options. Adaptive Paste reshapes pasted code to match your project's formatting conventions, saving time adjusting style manually. We also have Implement with Copilot, which automatically fills in empty methods by generating basic implementations, especially handy for C# development. Together, these features enhance your productivity without interrupting your coding rhythm, helping you avoid repetitive, manual tasks while staying fully in control. Here's a wrap-up overview of the key Copilot innovations in Visual Studio. We have core Copilot features like completions and chat, editor-centric enhancements such as next edit suggestions, and advanced tools including Agent Mode and AI doc comments. There are even breakpoint suggestions designed to boost your debugging experience. These tools collectively empower your development journey inside Visual Studio. Many features lie beneath the surface waiting for you to explore. So I invite you to dive deeper by watching the full session for complete demos and additional insights. Your feedback via the developer community helps shape future improvements.